Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by gathering ingredients. 3 Roma tomatoes, about 12 ounces, 1 English cucumber, tilde 8 ounces, 1 small red onion, 6 ounces feta, 12 Kalamata olives. Peel and halve the cucumber lengthwise, slice into 1/4 inch rounds and then halve each round. Cut tomatoes into wedges roughly 1 to 1, 5 inches across. Thinly slice the red onion into half moons using a 3.5-inch wide blade or your knife of choice. Measure 3 tablespoons olive oil and 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar for the dressing. Make the dressing by whisking together 3 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper until emulsified. Place the cucumber rounds, tomato wedges, and sliced red onion in a large bowl and toss gently to combine without bruising the tomatoes. Transfer the salad to a serving platter. Crumble or place 6 ounces of feta in chunks across the top and scatter 12 Kalamata olives evenly. Drizzle the dressing over the salad just before serving. Serve the Greek salad immediately at room temperature for best texture and balanced flavor. Chilling dulls the olive oil and tomato aroma. If you must store leftovers, cover tightly and refrigerate up to 24 hours, then bring back to room temperature and add a fresh drizzle of olive oil before serving. For simple variations, fold in 1/2 cup chopped parsley, swap 1 tablespoon lemon juice for vinegar, or add 1/4 cup sliced pepperoncini. This preserves the authentic profile while allowing personal taste adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.